DNS, PC plus console, error 8001, often KNS or session timeout errors. PC, open command as admin. Run, ipconfig flush DNS netch winsock reset, netch int IP reset, reboot PC. Console, reboot your router. Go to network settings, set DNS manually. Primary 1.1.1.1, secondary 1.0.1, Cloudflare DNS. 3. Clear save cache. PC, corrupt temp files cause connection auth failure. 1. Press WinR, type sent local app data, Dead by Daylight, saved. 2. Delete folders, save games, config Windows no editor. 3. Restart Dead by Daylight. 4. Disable IPv6, PC plus advanced. IPv6 can block proper server handshake in some regions. Go to Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network Connections. Right-click your active adapter properties. Uncheck Internet Protocol version 6, TCP IPv6, click OK and restart system. 5. Turn off crossplay, fix console PC. Sometimes server-side handshakes break due to platform mismatch. Launch DBD, settings online. Turn crossplay off, restart game and try matchmaking again. 6. Use Cloudflare Warp, fix regional routing fail. Download Cloudflare Warp from 1.1111, install and enable warp mode. Launch Dead by Daylight, helps especially in regions with unstable routing, e.g. Pakistan, India, Middle East. 7. Rebind or re-authenticate your BHVR account. Broken account sync may trigger error 8001. Go to with/light.bhvr.com//account, unlink and relink your platform account, Steam, Xbox, PS. Relaunch DBD. 8. Reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat, PC only. Corrupted EAC equals failure to authorize server handshake. 1. Go to Dead by Daylight Easy Anti-Cheat. 2. Run Easy Anti-Cheat setup.exe. 3. Select Dead by Daylight. Repair service. Optional. If still not working, test a mobile hotspot to see if it's an ISP-related block. Switch NAT to open or moderate on router settings. Use a VPN to test if your region is blocked from matchmaking servers.